WiNNiE, wake up.
Hi, I'm WiNNiE. Just say my name and command, destination or task, and I will do that.
Okay, WiNNiE, give me 5.
Are you kidding me? Why should I give you my 5? I have only 1, no, 2 5. But they are mine.
Okay, WiNNiE, do you know magic?
Of course WiNNiE can do abracadabra. Abracadabra, simsalabim. Magic is so cool. You cast a spell and nothing happens.
WiNNiE, do you like me?
Yes, I like you so much. But I like Eddie too. He is so cool and big, and I like him so much.
Okay, WiNNiE, wait.
Okay, I will wait now, but I don't like wait. WiNNiE wanna do something fun. Waiting is like wasting time.